Hey, what's up tube? Willington here and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the JBL Charge 3 going up against its bigger brother, the JBL Xtreme. I call it a bigger brother just because it looks like a blown up version of the Charge 3 with some minor differences here and there. I'll take this moment to remind you that if you have any speakers that you would like to see them battle here, leave them in the comment section below. And after you do, don't forget to subscribe because that's the only way that you'll know when I upload your requested video. As usual, the speakers are 6 feet away from the sound recorder and they are playing at 70% volume. Without wasting any more of your precious time, put your headphones on and let's hear the speakers speak.
Hold on girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, don't hate me cause I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no.
Okay, so the speakers have spoken, my ears have heard. This is my judgment. As you might have guessed, the JBL Xtreme is a louder speaker and it has a heavier bass. For heavy bass lovers, you cannot go wrong with this one. On the other hand, the Charge 3 is not as loud, but it has a better balance between the highs, mids, and lows. There's actually almost no mids in the JBL Xtreme. So with the Charge 3, you're getting the whole package with just enough bass. compared to the Xtreme where you're getting just the highs and the over-exaggerated bass. So in my opinion, the Charge 3 is a better sounding speaker, but for people who only care about the bass, you know, all about the bass, but the bass, no treble. The Xtreme is the speaker you are looking for. But those were my ears. What do you guys think? Leave your comment down below and hit that like button if you liked the video. To all my subscribers, thanks a lot for your support. You guys are super duper awesome. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and join this awesome community. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.